Alan says that I have to stop recording things so he can turn his fan back on. Let's see how long it takes for him to turn his fan back on.
I got it that way now.
Back. It's B210 day, and much like every other day, we don't really have a plan. We are going to try and focus on the drive shaft. We've got 2 drive shafts that we're going to put together to make 1 drive shaft because nobody wants to do it for us. I think we're going to try to get exhaust work done, some wiring done. Literally whatever we can get done today is what we plan to do today.
Huh?
What's the plan?
We're going to build a drive shaft to go from here to here. Using 2 of these.
Okay.
Eventually.
Eventually.
Next week or so.
Exhaust is done. We've got another work day in the books, so today we got a plan together for the drive shaft. So we bought 2 drive shafts that have to be combined into 1 drive shaft to make this thing work. So we measured, came up with a plan. I say we, Alan did all of that because that's what Alan does. We also got the exhaust mounted. The exhaust is done, so that is one thing off of our list. I think Marty and Kevin got a whole bunch of wiring done inside, so we're slowly getting there. The pressure is on. All right, we're back with a second day in this video. So we're here for the B210, and today we're going to work on getting the wheel bearings done and the brakes done, because we really need to get the back axle back under this car so that we can roll it around and get it off of Alan's lift, because he's tired of it taking up all of his space. So this is why we call Alan our master fabricator.
Master disaster.
No, fabricator. So the clutch adapter, here we go. Here's what we've got. What did you do?
I made a block
Alan.
to go from a national pipe thread to GM's plug-in connector.
So he has successfully connected a GM slave cylinder to a Datsun master cylinder.
Correct.
And that's why we call him our master fabricator.
Master of disaster.
Master of disaster, master of fabrication, whatever you want to call it.
Chief enabler.
That's what he is. All right, here's the plan. We have bushings that don't fit. So we've got a hammer, putty knife,
And a pry bar.
a pry bar,
And a 4x4.
a jack.
And then we get to
4x4.
sing my favorite theme song.
What is it, Kevin?
If it don't fit, just force it.
All right, here we go. Ready?
All right, up, Shellie. Up, 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 up. And if we did this right,
Let's see if we did.
if I can get it out.
Oh, it is
That's it.
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfection. Our work day is done. So today we got the rear end put back together. We got most of the brake work done. We couldn't find shoes. We started to put that back together and realized that we either bought them and can't find them, or we haven't bought them yet and we don't remember. But we are super close. So the back end is together. Alan made the clutch adapter. And I think that's about all that we got done today, but a lot was done. We had one small problem with the wheels and lug nuts. We've got two different sets of wheels, and apparently the lug nuts don't fit on what we've got, so we've got to sort that out. But other than that, it was a super productive day, day 2 of our working on the B210, getting it ready for Lemon. So if you like following along, like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.